Hi everyone, we're making fish curry today. I'll start off the recipe by frying one large onion, chopped of course. When you're buying your fish, make sure that the gills are still bloody red. Make sure that the eyeball is full. By full, I mean make sure it isn't wrinkled and dry. And don't hesitate to take a whiff. Sniff the fish and make sure that it isn't smelling funky because fresh fish does not stink. Once my onions are ready, I'm going to add my garlic and fry that briefly before adding my blended tomato. I used one large tomato. You don't have to blend yours though. You can also chop it finely. Uh, Make sure you watch the video to the end because I'm also going to be sharing the benefits of including fish in your diet. And if it's your first time on the channel, subscribe and click on the notification bell so you can be alerted whenever I upload a new recipe. One of the most important reasons is that fish helps to protect you from heart-related issues. You can be brain dead and considered alive, but once your heart is affected, that's serious. You're either dead or alive. So that's how good it is for you. I'm also going to add some tomato paste. Tomato paste isn't a substitute for your tomatoes, so kindly do not use one in place of the other. They work together to make your stews, your sauces, and your curries rich and thick. Another reason why you should be having fish in your diet is that it's rich in calcium, which is good for your teeth and your bones. I'll add my curry powder and then my salt. I'm using a little salt because I blended my tomatoes with salt just to make the process faster. And then I mix that. Fish is also rich in phosphorus and it is rich in iodine. It has an abundance of omega-3 fatty acids which are good for your brain functions. Sprinkle some coriander and mix it in to cook with the rest of the curry. I leave some aside for garnishing. Once that is done, I'll mix again. I'm going to add some water. This is just water. I used it to rinse the blender bottle. Once that is done, I'll mix it up. Fish is also rich in magnesium and potassium. Those are also very good for your body. Like I always say, don't just eat for the sake of eating. Eat like you love yourself, like you know what your body needs. I'm using pre-cooked fish. You can either buy yours pre-cooked or you can deep fry it at home for yourself. But if you're buying pre-cooked, make sure you're there to see it before it's pre-cooked to make sure that it's fresh. We don't want to expose our families to food poisoning. I'll just cover the fish with the curry, with the sauce rather, and then let it simmer and steam and cook along with it for all the flavors to get inside it. Fish is rich in vitamins D and B2. Those are also very important for you. I covered my fish to let it simmer, and this is what we have. It is nice and ready. For whatever reason, I was serving with a small spoon and it got messy. but that didn't affect the taste of my fish. So this is a fish, nice and soft. It retains its shape. That is one of the reasons I like to use pre-cooked fish. Though you can also use fresh fish, fresh as in straight from the water, not pre-cooked. So that is our curry all over the place. This goes very well with ugali. I'll leave a link to my ugali recipe in the description box below. Make sure your ugali is nice and soft and serve it hot. I'll also get rid of the splashes and splatters that went onto the side of the plate because the appetite starts from the eyes. Our fish is ready. I'll garnish with my leftover coriander. I love coriander, you guys. It's really nice. Adds to the aroma, adds to the taste. Here's a close look at our fish. Makes you just want to take some, doesn't it? That's our curry. Closer look at the curry. Fish is nice and soft. Thank you for watching.